In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Canva for nonprofits and use it to create branded materials for your organization. To begin, open Canva in your browser or app and sign into your account. If you do not already have one, go ahead and create a new account. This part is simple, and once you are inside the platform, you will have access to Canva's main dashboard, where all of your design tools, templates, and projects are organized. If you are brand new to Canva, take a moment to get comfortable with the layout so the next steps feel easier. Next, check whether your organization is eligible for Canva's nonprofit program. This is an important step because Canva offers special access and features for approved nonprofit organizations. You will want to review the eligibility requirements carefully to make sure your organization qualifies before moving forward. Doing this first can save time and help you understand what to expect during the application process. Once you have confirmed eligibility, visit Canva's nonprofit page and apply for Canva for nonprofits. On that page, you will find the application form and the information Canva needs in order to review your request. Fill everything out carefully and make sure your organization's details are accurate and consistent. After submitting the application, you will need to wait for approval, so be patient while Canva reviews your information. When your account has been approved, you can start exploring Canva's template library. This is where the platform becomes especially useful for nonprofit work. Look through templates for social media posts, presentations, posters, and fundraising materials. These ready-made designs can help you save time while still creating polished and professional content. Try choosing templates that match the tone of your organization and the kind of audience you want to reach. After selecting a template, begin customizing your design. Add your organization's logo, update the colors to match your brand, choose fonts that fit your style, and adjust the messaging so it clearly communicates your goals. Consistent branding helps your materials look more professional and makes your organization easier to recognize across different platforms. Finally, share your designs with your team so you can collaborate on projects together. Canva makes teamwork easier by allowing multiple people to review, edit, and contribute to the same design. This is especially helpful when different team members are responsible for content, branding, or approvals. With these steps completed, you will be ready to create strong, consistent nonprofit materials inside Canva and work more efficiently with your team.